So in order for you to monetize your Facebook page, to turn on your Instream ad on Facebook, these things you need to avoid them. When you want to monetize a Facebook Instream ad, there are so many things you need to avoid. Yes, most of us know that now most African countries is now eligible for Facebook Instream ad monetization. But let me tell you something. There are things you need not to do in order for you to be accepted in Facebook Instream ad program. So if you want to know those things you need not to do in order for you to be monetized, or in order for you not to be demonetized, stay tuned and let's watch this video together. The number one The number one thing you need not to do in order for Facebook to accept your application to be part of Instream ad is this: create quality content. Quality content will attract new people on your page. Quality content will attract Facebook algorithm to start picking up your content and showing it to new audience. Another thing you need to be doing in order for Facebook to accept your application is to head over to this particular place every day. Make sure you come to this particular place here and then check to see if you are having any form of flagged content. Do you understand? Check if you are having any form of flagged content, and after that you head over to this particular place again called supporting boss. This supporting boss, if you have any message from Meta himself does not send you message through comment sessions. Meta doesn't send you message through Messenger. If Meta company wanted to connect to you, or they want to give you an important information, they will message you on this particular place called support inbox. So whenever you open your Facebook, the first place you need to head over to will be this support inbox, in as much as you want Facebook to accept you on their Instream ad program. Then another thing you need to do on your page is to run ads. Yes, run ads. At least in a month you need to run at least one ad on your page. Yeah, most people will tell you that running ad will damage your page and all that. Listen, the only thing running ad will do is to hide or give the glory of that video to Facebook, which is the minute view that comes from that video. You will not end with that minute view. But for the video to perform well, my dear, you need to run ad, even if it is once in every month. Ad is very, very cheap. You can run normal local ads if you don't want to run international ads. So click on that boost button to do that local ad. Then apart from that, most people will ask questions, but running ad is not good. Now let me tell you something. Running ad is not good if you are still pursuing your 60,000 minute views. That is why I ask you to do it once in a month. I didn't ask you to be doing the ad every day. So even if you want to run that ad, I want you to please upload your video, allow it to be on your platform for a good cycle of 5 days. Then after that 5 days, you can now run that ad. Okay, then some minute view have already been accumulated from that video, which will record on your 60,000 minute view. Don't forget, if you want Facebook not to forget about your Instream ad application, make sure you don't use that your page to be commenting any rubbish something on other people's posts. Yeah, that is why we ask you to comment with your sense, because when you submit an application to Facebook that you want your channel, your page to be monetized, one thing Facebook will do is to head over to all the comments you've dropped so far with that page. They will check everything. They will check if that page have some flagged content. That was the major reason why I asked you to be going on that particular recommendation and your status, to be checking the health of your page, and they will head over to that supporting boss to check if you have any message from them which you don't even take serious. Then make sure you don't comment any negative something on other people's post with your normal page which you want to monetize. Another thing again you need to do in order for Facebook to accept your application to monetize you quick is this: create content every day. Yeah, you can create content every day, schedule it. Yeah, you can schedule your content on Facebook. So you can schedule this content, like post it, ask Facebook to post it by 3 a.m. tomorrow, or ask Facebook to post it 6 a.m. tomorrow, and once it's that time, the computer will just drop it on your page. No one is going to take the glory of that particular video. Then another thing again you need to do in order for Facebook to accept your Instream ad application is this: make sure your video are longer than 5 minutes. Yeah, make sure you have at least 5 video that is longer than 5 minutes on your channel. Do you get that? And make sure you are not spam posting. Like, you use, what I mean by spam posting on, make sure you don't spam post on groups. What I mean by spam post on groups is you click on this post on group, you post this, post this, post this, post this, post this, post this with the same video. Fool the whole Facebook wall with one video. Why not post, share this content on this group, share another one on another group, share another one on another group. Don't just take one content you drew, share it on this group, this group, this group, this group, this group. It is also a very big offense on the Facebook side. This can even cause you to be demonetized. So doing all those things, bam, Facebook will accept your application on your Instream ad. So my dear, if you are still on review, Facebook never if Facebook have not accepted you to be part of Instream ad, please rush now and check those things I ask you to check: your dashboard, your recommendations, your status, and that support inbox. So when you check and all those places are clear and Facebook is still not accepting you on Instream ad, please come back here and comment. Okay, let me know on the comment section below, and I will help you solve the problem within 24 hours, and you'll be accepted in the next 7 days. Thank you for watching this video.